Okay, a word problem. It looks kind of long, but I'm just going to read it maybe a few times and first just try to figure out the situation it's describing before I dive into the numbers and try to figure out the relationship between the numbers. Okay, so here we go. Number 1. You are planning a driving vacation and you want to estimate the cost of gas. So it says you are, and that sort of feels weird to me because it's telling me what I'm supposed to do, what I'm doing, but I'm just going to recognize that it's saying just pretend. Okay, so just go into the world of the problem and pretend. Okay. And what am I pretending? I'm pretending that I'm planning a driving vacation. So I'm thinking ahead about a driving vacation. So a driving vacation. This reminds me of the road trips that I used to take when I was a kid with my mom, and we would drive down to Disneyland, or we would drive out to the country and go camping, and we would listen to audiobooks. So a driving vacation can be fun. Driving vacation can be fun. Okay, and so it says that I want to estimate the cost of gas. So the cost of gas. So I'm estimating money. And what do we mean by estimate again? I think we mean to get close, but not exact. Close but not exact. So we're just trying to get close but not exact, and that's why we're planning. So we're just trying to get a rough idea. Okay. So while on vacation, you are planning to drive 3,000 miles. So you are planning to drive 3,000 miles. So 3,000 miles, I guess it's saying this is the total distance. Total distance. That seems far. If I go 3,000 miles, that's like all the way across the country. I wonder if it's cheaper to fly. So I have this question. Isn't it cheaper to fly? Why are we driving if we're going 3,000 miles? Maybe we're stopping a lot of times to look at the sights. Who knows? But maybe I'll come back to that question. Okay. Your car gets about 30 miles per gallon. It gets 30 miles per gallon. And the word per is really familiar. I think that's the same thing as for 1. So I can say it's 30 miles for 1 gallon. So 1 gallon gets, another way to say that is 1 gallon gets 30 miles. So for 1 gallon of gas, I can go 30 miles. Oh, okay. And you estimate that the cost of gas is $4 per gallon. Here's this word per again. And so it's saying that, oh yeah, $4 for 1 gallon. So $4 gets 1 gallon. Oh, okay. What is your estimate for the cost of gasoline for the vacation? What is your estimate for the cost of gasoline for the vacation? So this is the total money spent on gas. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so now if I were to summarize what I just read, I might skim through this again. You are planning a driving vacation. You want to estimate the cost of gas. That sentence is just giving context. This is just sort of background. Right? That's sort of like a context sentence. And while on vacation, oh yes, so here's an important number. While on vacation, you're planning to drive 3,000 miles. So here I'm going to start putting my summary of all the essential pieces of information. So I have 3,000 miles. And then we had the thing about 30 miles per gallon. And that summarized MPG. And then it said $4 per gallon. And the question is, how much will the gas cost for the entire trip? This is my interpretation of what the question is asking me. Okay.